This is your LMAX Exchange technical update for Wednesday, January 25th, 2017. Euro dollar. So the euro continues to push higher and is approaching some critical resistance at 108.75, which is the December peak. A break above that level would consider the possibility for a shift in the structure and a more significant upside move over the coming weeks. If we cannot establish above 108.75, however, the market could just as easily stall out in favor of the broader downtrend. A break back below recent support, which comes in at about 105.90, would be required to put the immediate pressure back on the downside. Sterling dollar. So cable continues to extend its impressive recovery after stalling just shy of that October plus 30-year low, trading down to the 119s, but not quite down to that October 118.40 low. At this point, the focus now is on a retest of critical resistance in the form of a previous base at 27.96 and that resistance that we saw going back to December of 2016 at 27.75. So 27.75, 27.96 is the next major level of resistance for the pound. Dollar yen has seen some pullbacks over the past several sessions. The market is stalled now right around the 112.50 area, but overall there is still pressure on the downside, or still risk for additional downside towards the 109 to 111 area. At this point, we would need to see a break at a minimum back above recent highs around 115.60 to take the immediate pressure off the downside. Euro Swiss has been busy consolidating over the past several days. Overall here, the pressure does remain on the downside still, even though we saw a little bit of upside price action this week with a retest of the 106.24 2016 low in sight. Aussie dollar. So Aussie has come all the way back up, trading above some key resistance at 75, and the market is considering the still trading higher over the coming sessions. Ultimately, we should see a lot of very strong medium-term resistance up above 77 if we get up there, and so rallies from here should be very well capped in favor of a bearish resumption. Dollar CAD. So dollar CAD has been caught chopping around over the past several days. The market had bounced out from 130 area, looking like it was poised to extend or continue the bullish structure that we've seen over the past several months. But at this point, the market's pulled back again, threatening a retest of those recent lows in the 130 area. I think a close below 130 would be required to force a more significant shift in the structure. Until then, any dip should be very well supported. Kiwi dollar. So Kiwi has seen impressive gains over the past several days, but overall here the market looks like it's putting in a topping structure off that 2016 high just shy of 75, and so look for these gains to stall out at any moment over the coming sessions.